a strip of lights, making the hotel room more luxurious. Today, I'll teach you how to choose and install LED light strips on the headboard. Hello everyone, I am Walson from the Rhlite LED Strip Factory. We specialize in the production of LED strips and project accessories. Today, I will use the professional experience of the factory to guide you step by step through the selection, installation methods, and usage tips for hotel headboard LED strips. The main functions of the headboard light strip are threefold. First, to create a warm and comfortable sleeping atmosphere. Second, to serve as an auxiliary function for night lighting. Third, to enhance the design sense and grade of the hotel space. The first step is to select the LED strip. It is generally recommended to use a high-CRI COB warm white LED strip for the headboard of hotels with ACRI temperature between 700 K 3000 K. A CRI of at least 90. This ensures both softness and non-glare ray, as well as accurate color ray production. The width is suggested to be between 5 mm 8 mm, which is convenient for hiding in the gaps of the headboard. The second step is the installation method. There are two common types. First, embedded installation, where the light strip is placed in the hidden groove of the headboard, with the light directly hitting the wall to create a soft reflection. Second, surface-mounted installation, using an aluminum channel to fix the light strip and adding a diffuser. The third step is to control the method. To facilitate guest use, it is recommended to use the touch switch on the bedside or wall-mounted buttons, and also use a dimmer to adjust the brightness, or even use the hotel's intelligent control system for unified management. 2 points should be noted when in use. First, the brightness should be moderate to avoid direct light into the eyes affecting rest. Second, the light should be even, without any obvious bright spots or dark areas. In summary, the key to the headboard light strip in the hotel is to choose a high-CRI warm white light strip, install it discreetly, and pair it with convenient control. This can both enhance the guest room experience and add to the hotel's design sense. If you are working on a hotel project, feel free to leave a comment in the comments section, and we can help you customize a lighting plan. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more practical LED strip tips. This is Rhlite, where we provide the best lighting solutions for your project with our factory strength.